Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious kid named Max. Max had a mop of unruly brown hair, big, round glasses that always seemed a little crooked, and a backpack filled with adventure waiting to happen. Max's favorite place in the world was the town's library, a cozy old building filled with books of all shapes and sizes. Every weekend, Max would rush there, eager to embark on a new literary journey. He'd pick out a book, any book, and dive into its pages with the enthusiasm of a treasure hunter seeking a hidden chest of gold. One sunny Saturday morning, as Max was exploring the library's dusty shelves, he stumbled upon a worn, leather-bound book titled The Secrets of Hidden Hollow. It was a book like no other, its pages filled with maps, riddles, and stories of hidden treasures rumored to be scattered throughout their town. Max couldn't resist the temptation. With the book in hand, he embarked on a grand adventure, deciphering clues, navigating through the woods, and seeking out the elusive treasures that were said to hold unimaginable wonders. Along the way, he made new friends, like Lucy, the nature-loving girl who helped him identify plants, and Liam, the math whiz, who cracked the book's mathematical riddles. As Max and his newfound friends ventured deeper into the heart of Hidden Hollow, they discovered that the true treasure wasn't gold or jewels, but the bonds they forged and the knowledge they gained. Max's once quiet town came alive with stories, laughter, and the joy of exploration. Years later, when Max looked back on that dusty library discovery, he realized that the greatest adventure of all was the one he lived every day. And so the curious kid with the crooked glasses grew up to be a wise and adventurous adult who never stopped exploring, learning, and sharing the secrets of Hidden Hollow with the world.